Welcome. Let's dive in. Take a moment to get comfortable. Sit back, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let your body begin to relax, like a river flowing downstream effortlessly. With each breath, you're stepping into your natural flow, a place where peace, clarity, and creativity meet. Focus on your breath. As you inhale, imagine breathing in fresh, crisp air that's fueling your body with energy. As you exhale, feel your body releasing anything that's holding you back. Any stress, any doubt, any tension. Each breath pulls you deeper into your flow. Feel the rhythm of your breath, like the rhythm of the ocean waves, rising and falling. You are in sync with the world around you, moving with ease. Now picture yourself standing on the shore of a river. This river is your life, flowing, dynamic, full of possibilities. Sometimes it moves fast, other times slow, but it always finds its way forward. Feel the power of this flow. Just like the river, you're constantly moving, evolving, growing. Step into the river. Feel the cool water around your feet. As you wade in deeper, notice how it carries you effortlessly. You don't have to fight it. You're part of the flow, guided by your own energy. Now, as you float along, imagine a glowing light within you, a spark that fuels your creativity, your passion, your strength. This light grows brighter with each breath, filling you from head to toe. You are in your element, perfectly aligned with your purpose. In this flow, obstacles don't stand a chance. You move through them with grace, with ease. You are flexible, adaptable, and unstoppable. Take a moment to bask in this feeling of flow. Feel the energy coursing through your body, lighting you up from the inside out. This is your power, always there, always ready. As you begin to bring your awareness back, feel this flow stay with you, steady, strong, and unbreakable. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one last deep breath, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. You are in your flow. Carry it with you wherever you go.